guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I know I don't post often content, and that's simply because I'm busy. I'm a busy mother of two little babies, but I love creating. That's the only thing that keeps my blood flowing through my veins. I have to create. I'm a creator. I have to. So I'm going to be making videos just like the last one about the things that I do with and for my kids. If you haven't watched my last video, I'm going to put the link right here. You know, as parents, you want your kids to eat vegetables. Eat your veggies, eat your veggies. Now I've got a solution for my kids. They eat vegetables as if they were having ice cream. Today is the pancakes. Butternut squash pancake. Delicious. My way of making them. Very easy, very simple. I'm going to go ahead and squash those butternut squashes. So for this recipe, we're going to use 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 cups of milk, whole milk, some olive oil, about 4 teaspoons, a pinch of baking soda, a teaspoon and a half of baking powder, a little bit of my vanilla extract, a pinch of cinnamon powder, and 2 eggs. For the butternut squash, about a cup is enough. I'm going to use my blender, put in the squash. I have about 1 cup of butternut squash in here. I'm just going to clean my hands. And then I'm going to add a little bit of, I'm just going to measure it like this, but to me it's like half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Some people can use butter, but I'm going to use olive oil. I'm going to use 4 teaspoons of the olive oil. Then I'm going to add my eggs. Wow, look at that. I've gotten so good. I put this in the compost. I've gotten so good. Let me try here. Oh, look at that. I used to never know how to do that. I used to be so scared to break the eggs like that. Now that this is ready, we cannot forget our maple syrup. Some people use sugar, but I prefer maple syrup. There we go. I knew I would get it some way somehow. Let's go with 2, this is a teaspoon, 4, let's go with 4 teaspoons of this. It has to be sweet, and there's nothing wrong with maple syrup, really. Anyways, it's sugar, but it's healthy also. I'm not gonna go there, okay? I'm not a nutritionist. I'm not a chef. I just do this because I love them. I love my recipes, and I hope somebody enjoys it out there too. So good. It smells really good. So I will transfer this in here into my dry mix, my dry ingredients. I'm going to pour my mix inside and whisk it. You know what? You know I'm filming this alone, right? So I'm going to just pause, bring the camera over here. I will bring it this way so you guys can have a better view of what's going on here. Oh yeah, make sure no skin goes in, no squash skin, because then it's gonna give it a bitter taste. No skin inside. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Try this, okay? Just try it. Oh, almost. Ta-da! So this is what I make for my kids, and this looks really beautiful. And it's for everybody, even for us adults. This is really good stuff. I'm going to, because my kids love pear, so I'm going to make a puree of pear. I'm going to spread it on top. I'm going to add some blackberries because I love blackberries and raspberry. But this is really pretty. Oh, there's one left. Should I try this? Should I try this? Ah! I can't believe I did this. I can't believe this. So, ta-da! C'est bon. So much fun making this video for you guys. I hope you did enjoy it as well. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also to motivate me to make more videos, make sure to subscribe and share if you found it valuable. Don't forget to watch the other video on how I make my vegetable smoothie. I'm gonna put the link right here, or here, or here, or here. Okay, bye-bye.